Hi, in today's video we will discuss 5 stocks that have recently given us breakouts. 4 of them have given horizontal breakout while the last one is a downtrend breakout. The first stock on the list today is with ticker symbol CAKE and the company's name is Cheesecake Factory Incorporated. I have opened the chart on monthly time frame. As you can see, this stock made a high of approximately $67 way back in May of 2017, and since then it has been stuck in this price zone for approximately 9 years now. So just this week this stock has given us a breakout and it has closed above $67 mark and the closing price is $75.28. So the breakout has happened approximately after 9 long years, and these type of breakouts are rare in stock market, or they don't occur that frequently. So if you look at the chart carefully, this stock made 2 attempts to break out of this level. One was in April of 2021, which was unsuccessful, and then the stock faced a sharp correction, and the other attempt was made in the year 2025 in July month. So both of these were unsuccessful attempts, but finally this last week the stock has given us a breakout and has closed above this $67 mark. The current market price sits at $75.28 and now it's sitting comfortably above the resistance zone. The correction that the stock faced after making its high in 2017 was approximately 80%, and after falling by almost 80%, the stock has risen up by approximately 400%. That is a significant up move that the stock has already given us. So this was the first stock of the list today. I would recommend you to keep this on your watch list, and now we will move to the second one. The second stock on the list today is with ticker symbol TFII. It's called TFI International Inc. So the stock chart is on weekly time frame. The previous one was on monthly time frame, so this is different. But what makes this chart interesting is the number of attempts that it has already tried to break out of the price range. So the resistance that it faced before was $219, and the first time it was made was back in March of 2024. So it has been approximately 2 years and 3 months that the stock has been trying to get out of this price range. It has also attempted a second time in July of 24 and then again in December of 24, and then there was a very sharp correction of 54% approximately. Then after making a base in April of 2025, the stock has rallied and it has moved approximately 100%, 118% to be exact, since it has made its low. So the chart is very similar to the first one, but with the number of attempts it has already made to break out of the price and then finally doing it makes it a strong candidate. So this was the second stock on the list, and again you can keep this on your radar for the next week. Alright, so the next one, the third stock on the list, again is a horizontal breakout with ticker symbol ARCB, which is ArcBest Corporation. Again, the chart has been opened on weekly time frame, so you can see the time frame is similar to the second stock on the list. This one also made a high in April of 2024, and then there was a sharp fall and a correction of almost 64%. The base was made in the month of April of 2025, and since then the stock has risen up by approximately 200%. So the momentum is with this stock, just like the first two we have discussed. So this is a third stock that you can keep an eye on in the coming weeks. The fourth stock on the list today is ILMN, which is Illumina Inc. The stock chart I have opened is on weekly time frame, and you can see a very similar pattern that we have already seen. So I won't add much to it, except for the very obvious cup and handle pattern that you can see emerging in the stock. So this was the cup and then this was the handle. You can pause the screen and have a look at the numbers that I have put on the screenshot. So these were the 4 horizontal stocks for this week. Now we will see the last stock on the list, which is a downtrend breakout stock. So the last stock in the breakout stock list for today is with ticker symbol REPL, and the chart is opened on the weekly time frame. This is clearly a downtrend breakout. You can clearly see that the stock made a high of approximately $17 in November 24, and since then it has been trapped in a prolonged downtrend. The entire duration of the downtrend lasted for approximately 1 year and 7 months. So the stock has closed above the downtrend this last week and has confirmed a breakout. The current market price sits at approximately $8.88, and this is again a stock that you can keep an eye on in the coming weeks. So guys, these were the 5 breakout stocks that I had for you for this video. I hope you found value in these stock picks, and I'll post a new video where I'll discuss 5 or more breakout retest stocks that would be coming up on Tuesday. So I request you to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep yourself updated with the stock picks that I have for you. Until next time, bye bye.